Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, I'm super glad to have you. I hope everybody enjoys the video. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to make a shadow box. They were just recently Black Friday sale at Michael's, so I picked up a couple. I couldn't resist. And I've been seeing a lot of people make these fresh farm Christmas tree pictures and shadow boxes and all that all over the internet. So I was like, oh, I better do one. I think the retro look is super cute. But I just wanted to quickly show you on Design Space because I've seen people saying, oh, they bought the file off of Etsy or some other company. And I found all this on Design Space. Other than paying my regular yearly subscription, this isn't costing me an extra penny. So we'll go through my template for the shadow box first. So the orangey, light yellow orangey layer, that is the full size of the shadow box. The gray square, that is the back opening. And then the white is the front. So that's what you see from the front view. So my shadow box is a 9x9. That is the back opening. And from the inside, you see 8.5 by 8.5. So just keep that in mind if you're buying a shadow box. But I'm going to show you where to find the font as well as the truck. So you pop into Images. And I've already got the Fresh Farm Christmas tree. I've typed that in. And there's quite a few that pop up. So then it kind of goes into eggs and stuff. But Christmas tree farm, if you don't want the truck, so lots to choose from. I chose... oh, where is it? This one here, which is M8B36FEC. And then for the Christmas tree, just search Christmas tree in truck. And there it is. The first one. And then there's a couple other ones. I think some of them are going to be a print and cut. Or maybe not. It's not saying it is. So quite a few to choose from. There is everything cut out. I have doubled up the black layer and the tree layer. For the dark red, I have 4 layers of cardstock and everything else is 1 layer. I am going to use some foam tape and I'm going to place the tree a little differently. Cricut has it on top of the dark red layer and it looks like it just kind of sits like that. And then the red just sits above it. Or does it go behind the red layer? It's tricky how they've done it. There we go. They got it more kind of going with the curve. Yeah, it kind of pokes out. So I'm going to put it behind the red layer, but I'm going to do this all on fast mode. So it goes quick for you, but long for me. Okay, there's our cute little Christmas tree truck. Looks, I think, really good with the foam tape to give it that 3D look. Now, I think a white background is going to be boring. So let's take a peek in my little Save Freeze by Recollections. So I like this one. I think that one, let me get you more in frame, will look really cute. Snowflakes don't really do anything. That one kind of has, I know it's hard to pick up, but it has a little bit of a thing, but I'm going to say no to that one. No to presents. This one already has the truck in it. But could I use the top section? I think it'll be a little dark. Gets lost in the stripes. How about the plaid? Plaid's not bad. I think I like the snowflakes better still. These ones are not gonna work. In case you've been debating on getting any of the Christmas paper, here's a free flip through so you can see all the patterns. I was thinking that one. No. I don't think that one's gonna work. What about the blue? I think the brown snowflakes is the best one. So I'm gonna get that cut out and we can start putting everything together. Okay, here's my shadow box, the background paper, the truck. First, I am going to attach the Farm Fresh. Hopefully this goes well. This is being attached on the outside. So let's move the truck out of the way. Move the shadow box slightly. I'm using Cricut. I have cleaned the surface, so make sure you do that. You don't want oil from your fingers, dust, anything that will interfere with getting the vinyl to stick properly. Okay, I'm gonna add one more thing. Some fake snow. Got this at the Dollar Tree. So super inexpensive. Just gonna kind of lay at the bottom. I am getting it everywhere. Add a bit more. Not the whole pack. The packaging ripped as I opened it up, so it's not coming out that nicely. Getting snow all over myself. I'm gonna find snow for days. Some of it fell out, but that's okay. Okay, let's attach this guy. I'm not taping him, attaching him to the backing at all. So there we go. I think the snow makes it look so cute, and the brown background with the snowflakes. I shook it up a bit to get a little bit of snow on top of the truck and in with the tree. I've got it laying flat right now, but that's almost how it looks laying on its side. This is the holographic threads vinyl, so you can't really see it on the camera, but it has that holographic look to it. But I think this is fantastic. I am in love with this, and this is probably going up in my house today. And this was pretty easy to make. Little bit of time to make the truck, but I love how three-dimensional it is. You know, it doesn't look flat. At first I was going to do it in vinyl, but thought, no, I got to do it in cardstock. And boy, am I glad that I did. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.